Introduction of Spreadsheet and its basic components. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a software that stores data and information in the form of rows and columns. There are many spreadsheet software are available like Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. How to start a spreadsheet program? We need to follow the following steps to start spreadsheet software. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Excel. A blank sheet would be displayed on your monitor screen. Basic components of spreadsheet. There are many components of spreadsheet software. Let us discuss them one by one. 1. Workbook. The document which we create in Excel is called as workbook. The extension of a workbook is .xlsx. It contains 3 sheets by default and can be extended up to 255 worksheets. 2. Worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of rows and columns. It is the place where we enter data in Excel. A worksheet contains 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. 3. Rows and columns. The rows in an Excel sheet are numbered vertically like 1, 2, 3 and so on till 10,48,576, and columns in an Excel sheet are named horizontally as A, B, C and so on till IV. 4. Cell. A cell is an intersection of row and column. It is the most basic unit of a worksheet. 5. Cell address. The cell address is column name followed by row number. It is used to identify the cell in the workbook. For example, if row 8 and column C intersect, the address of the cell formed by this intersection becomes C8.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.